Welcome to our class. Today we are going to look at how we can produce a pie chart. For example, this is our final destination. This is our destination pie chart which we want to produce. We want to know how we can insert it given a data, how you can format it. If you look at my pie chart, each slice has a different color. That is what we call formatting. How can we go about it? How still we can label it? You can see different slices have been labeled differently, and we can see the respective percentages in the different labels. So how are we going to have them in your pie chart? How can we still insert the title of the pie chart? So let's start the journey. Here we have taken an instance of of 5 East African countries sugarcane production, and this is Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Ethiopia, and Somalia. I've taken their production from 2010 to 2020. So we want to draw a pie chart of their totals in these 10 years. So let's start the journey. Let me first clear the sum, because it is very important that you still understand how we do the summation. So we want to plot the pie chart of the summations, the totals of their output in the last 10 years. Let's go. Select the outputs of the years per country. Then click sum in the auto sum tab. It has done your totals. Drag the plus sign. It has calculated it has copied the formula to in the other columns. So it has done the sum of the countries output. So we want to calculate, we want to insert the pie chart of these labels, the Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Ethiopia, Somalia, and their according to their output. So this is what we are going to do. Select the labels. Then the next step, it is to press the control key, and while holding the control key, select the totals. We have first selected the labels, then holding the control key, I'm holding mine, then select the outputs, the totals. Then you realize that it has selected the labels and the outputs. Then go to insert. After insert, go to charts. Our interest is to produce a pie chart. We want a 3D pie chart. 3D pie chart. Then it has produced your pie chart. Now this pie chart is very plain. It has not been formatted. It has very little formations. Let's insert the labels. Let's insert the labels. You go to plus sign, data labels. Click data labels. It has put them inside. Now along the data labels, if you look at here, there is that arrow. You click that arrow. Then click outside end. It has given your labels outside. Then we want to format this pie chart to different colors. Then click one of the slides. After double clicking the slides, you realize these options. Then fill and line. Then we want to fill the slice with a different color. So you click the color which you want. It has changed the color. And go to another slice. Change its color. Mine, I've selected that color. Go to another slice. Click different color. I'm doing the same. I want to finish coloring all my slices. I want to fill differently. Okay, here is another slice. I want to color it differently. Okay, you realize that I've colored mine with different colors. Yeah. Now, the next step it is to insert the percentages. Click the labels, this 32, 35 to 32. Click the labels. Then after clicking the labels, come to text options. Then we go to label options. When you click the label options, there are things which you need to select over there. Number one, click select percentages. I've selected mine. Number two, unselect the value. It has only indicated the percentages. Then we want to insert the lender lines. The lender lines you're just going to see them after we have inserted. Click one of the label. Click one of the label. Then drag it outside. Drag outside. This is the line which I'm talking about. Then to repeat the same, just do it for the other labels. Yeah, I'm doing the same. Yeah. So we have inserted labels in percentages. So we want still to include this option here, these legend options. We want them to be part of the labels. So what you are going to do, click the labels, come to the text options, label options, then see category name. Click add category name. Yes. Then after doing so, we can just delete our legend key. Our legend key. Yeah. That is exactly what we wanted to do. Now, what is remaining, it is to insert the chart title. The chart title is just here. In case your laptop does not give you the chart option, you just click this plus sign, then add the select chart title. Yeah. Then just double click the chart title, then add the name which you want it to appear there. The ours is a pie chart. We can call it a pie chart. A pie chart showing sugarcane production. Production of 5 East African. We can say that East African selected countries. Selected countries over the last 10 years. Yes. So you realize that it has overlapped one of the labels. So what you are going to do is just to reduce the size of the we want to reduce the size of the text. Just come to home, then reduce the text size. We can still continue formatting the text by, we can select the text, then insert the color which you want it to appear here. Our color, we want it to be black, and then we can even bold it. We can still format the chart area by selecting the color which you want. Okay, still one of the labels is still hidden, so what we can do is we can shift it down. We can shift or reduce the size. We can shift this one down. Sorry, we want to we want to shift this one down. The label. I want to reduce the label. I want to reduce the label. Exactly. That is what now we have come to know that this is how we can form our pie chart and how you can label it and you will see my budget is very it is very attractive. This is what we call data presentation. So thank you for following me and for joining in this class. I hope this is a very important information and it has really helped you. Thank you.